All right, today we're gonna go over a quick lesson on feeding your sourdough and discarding. Mainly for my dad, who we sent a sourdough starter to, and he's struggling to follow directions. So we're gonna just do a quick tutorial on that for him. All right, so we have our kitchen scale, we have our starter, we're gonna discard and feed. So my jar, I wrote on there how much my jar weighs just in case, just so I know. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just discard some into my discard jar here. I always say about 2/3, just eyeball it. It doesn't matter the exact amount that you have. All right. So I'm gonna put this on. All right, so we're at 488. I gotta use my calculator because I can't do math. 488 minus, so 430. So 58 grams of actual starter in there. So with that 58 grams, we're gonna zero out on the scale, on the digital scale. So it goes back to 0. Make sure you're in grams. And now you're gonna add 58 grams of flour and 58 grams of water. So you're doing an equal amount starter, an equal amount flour, and an equal amount of water. Okay? Doesn't matter what you start with as long as you have the number that you need to start with. All right, so now I zeroed out and I'm just gonna add until I get to 58 grams. Perfect, 58, and then I'm just gonna do the same, zero out again, and I'm just gonna pour in water until I get to 58 grams again. All right, and then you're just gonna give it a stir. Again, you want it to be like a batter consistency. Not a dough, not a liquid, just kind of somewhere in the middle. All right, and then you're just gonna cover and let her rise.